Imagine a searing pain that erupts just below your ribcage, a constant gnawing discomfort that disrupts your meals and disrupts your day. That's the reality for millions of people living with stomach ulcers, painful sores that develop in the lining of the stomach. Traditionally, treatment for stomach ulcers has focused on medications that reduce stomach acid. But what if there was a way to fight back with your fork? Recent research suggests incorporating specific foods into your diet can be a powerful tool alongside medication to soothe ulcers and promote healing. So, ditch the bland crackers and prepare to tantalize your taste buds. Let's delve into the fascinating world of gut health and explore 4 superstar foods scientifically linked to ulcer healing. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare professional for the diagnosis and treatment of stomach ulcers. Number 1. Cabbages. For centuries, cabbage has been a staple food around the world, featuring in everything from hearty stews to crisp slaws. But beyond its versatility, cabbage packs a powerful punch when it comes to stomach health. Research suggests a specific compound in cabbage, called S-methylmethionine, SMM, might play a crucial role in ulcer healing. Studies have shown that SMM can stimulate the production of mucus in the stomach lining, creating a protective barrier against stomach acid. Think of it as a natural bandage for your ulcer. Here's the exciting part. Unlike some ulcer medications that can reduce important gut bacteria, cabbage actually promotes a healthy gut microbiome. This balance of good bacteria is essential for overall digestive health and may contribute to ulcer healing. Many medications used to treat ulcers work by reducing stomach acid production. While effective, these medications can have side effects like diarrhea and nutrient deficiencies. Cabbage, on the other hand, offers a natural approach to promoting ulcer healing without these drawbacks. Number 2. Slippery elm bark. For centuries, Native American tribes have used slippery elm bark for its soothing properties. Modern science is now catching up, revealing its potential benefits for stomach ulcers. Slippery elm bark contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the irritated stomach lining. This coating can act as a barrier against stomach acid, reducing inflammation and discomfort. Think of it as a natural internal lozenge for your ulcer. Studies have shown that slippery elm bark can be effective in reducing ulcer symptoms like pain and heartburn. In one study, patients with ulcers who took slippery elm extract experienced significant improvement in their symptoms compared to a placebo group. While some medications used for ulcers can cause side effects like constipation or headaches, slippery elm is generally well tolerated and considered a safe option for most people. Number 3. Honey. Honey has been revered for its medicinal properties for millennia. Recent research suggests it may also play a role in promoting stomach ulcer healing. Honey possesses antibacterial properties, which might be beneficial against H. pylori, a bacterium that can contribute to ulcer development. Studies have shown that honey can inhibit the growth of H. pylori and may aid in its eradication. Honey also promotes tissue regeneration, which can be helpful in promoting ulcer healing. Additionally, honey's soothing properties can provide relief from the burning sensation associated with ulcers. Antibiotics are often used to eradicate H. pylori, but these medications can disrupt gut bacteria and come with potential side effects. Honey, on the other hand, offers a natural approach to combating H. pylori while promoting gut health. Number 4. Yogurt. Yogurt has long been recognized for its gut-friendly benefits, and research suggests it may also play a role in stomach ulcer healing. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, live bacteria that contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome can help fight off harmful bacteria like H. pylori, which can contribute to ulcers. Studies have shown that consuming yogurt containing specific probiotic strains can help reduce ulcer symptoms and promote healing. Yogurt is also a good source of protein and calcium, which are essential nutrients for overall health and healing. While antibiotics are used to eradicate H. pylori, they can disrupt the delicate balance of gut bacteria. Yogurt, on the other hand, promotes a healthy gut microbiome with its probiotic content, potentially aiding in ulcer healing while supporting overall digestive health. While these gut-friendly foods can be powerful allies in your fight against stomach ulcers, it's important to be mindful of your overall health. Certain habits often associated with ulcers, like excessive pain medication or a high-sodium diet, can be detrimental to your kidneys. Remember, your kidneys are vital organs that play a crucial role in filtering waste products from your blood. By incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet and being mindful of habits that can harm your kidneys, you can empower yourself to take charge of your stomach ulcer healing and promote overall well-being. Make these dietary changes a part of your daily routine and consult with your doctor to create a personalized ulcer treatment plan. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment of stomach ulcers. By subscribing to the Health Info Hub channel, you not only gain access to valuable insights, but also become part of a community committed to empowering individuals on their quest for a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts on our video in the comments section below. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter as well.